Hi everyone and welcome. Today you will learn to draw a cheesecake. You'll see it's easy and we'll do it step by step. Stay till the end and you will draw a cheesecake, I promise you. We'll draw a slice of cheesecake and we'll start with the top edge of our cheesecake. So we will draw a slightly diagonal straight line, interrupted now by the strawberry sauce that's dripping slightly over the edge. We continue now with our edge. Now a straight line down on the left. And another straight line for the bottom edge. And another straight line for the right edge. Now we'll draw the outside of our cheesecake with a curved line. Then a straight line down and another curved line. Now our cheesecake is already starting to look 3D. A small correction now. Please remember, you don't have to draw perfect. You just have to practice. We will continue the curved line from the top by gently curving it some more to form our slice. We stop here, so we'll have more space for the stuff we'll draw on top. Here is the end of the line. Now we draw a piece of chocolate bar. First the outline and then the chocolate squares. At the bottom it ends suddenly because the rest is already stuffed into the cheesecake. In the middle we draw a big strawberry. Because what would our cheesecake be without the strawberry on top? Don't forget, you can stop the video at any time and draw at your own pace. Then the edges of the strawberry sauce. we finish off the chocolate bar. The last touches here. Again, the edges of the strawberry sauce. And now the cake crust. For some of us, the yummy part. With a straight line that matches the bottom edge. And a curved line for the exterior side that also matches the bottom curved edge. You can color your drawing as you like. The important thing is that it looks like a cheesecake. At the beginning I promised you that you would learn how to draw a cheesecake, and I hope that now on the paper in front of you is a cheesecake drawn by you. You can be proud. Please let me know in the comments below how you liked it, how this drawing came out for you, and what other drawing ideas you have.